Yup. Just as I started doing this video, this is part 2 of the severe thunderstorm warning slash tornado watch, but as of now, it seems that what you see coming up here in a little bit, the severe thunderstorm warning has expired. It's been replaced by a tornado watch. Yeah, where I live, like right here, we're in the yellow part, that means it's a tornado watch. But besides the tornado, there's lots of lightning. And just as I started doing this video, it's extends. It looks way worse than, but awesomer than the midnight one that it did on when Monday started. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, if you hear something in the background, I'm playing this game. It's called Pokemon. But we're not talking about that. We're talking about the weather. I think Pikachu has a temper tantrum. Oh! Did the pole just went out? It just went out when I made the 4-part video back on Monday midnight. This pole you see right here went out in part 1 of the 4 parts. And now it just went out in part 2 of the Friday storm at night. I think the power is gonna go out. Oh! Please don't tell me that was close-up lightning. Oh my god. I think Pikachu's in a bad mood today. Sorry, I'm talking about the Pokemon thingy. Well, we're talking about the weather here. And look, the light pole just came back on there. I think it got surprised by the lightning right there. And this lightning you're seeing right here is probably more intense than the 4-part storm video. We're still in the yellow zone. What the? It seems that there's more lightning than there's rain. Probably what device a severe thunderstorm warning. But it seems that
but I want to talk Entourage for a second. Yes.
if you saw earlier, we were in the yellow zone, meaning it's a tornado watch. But how? We're also in a severe thunderstorm warning. Probably because of all this lightning. That's what I would call it. Oh! Oh my god. I think that lightning was close to us. I think Come on, Pikachu, calm down. Dang. I haven't seen lightning resistance in a long time. And right now this is the date I'm looking at my Nintendo 3DS. It's April 17th, 2015. And it's 23:05, which is 11:05. I'm pretty sure there's a likely chance that the power is gonna go out. I'd be frustrated if I had to upload this video and then it's interrupted by a power outage. If I was a storm chaser, you could see a tornado, but it's kind of hard to see something like that. But all we can see is the intense lightning that surprises us. Dang, this storm is worse, just as I don't know if I can rank it, but I think the storm is much worse than the second storm that occurred on Tuesday. Oh, the light pole just went out again. Like I said, there was a second storm that occurred on Tuesday morning, which I never did a video on. Oh my god. That is one hell of a storm. We should be in the orange zone and part of the yellow zone. I'm surprised the power has not gone out yet. Well, besides the light pole. Oh my god. Instant lightning. Oh. Nice one. That was a big flash of lightning. Yeah, if you're in a storm like this, you just stay indoors. Because this is one bad storm. That light's trying to come back on again. It'd be really funny if it went off just now. And 10-minute limit is almost coming up, so this is part 2 of this video of the tornado watch with a little of severity of the storm warning. All I can say is that I can leave the part with instant lightning. Oh my god.